you believe that I've changed your life forever, and you never